Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. So we're going to wrap a little bit about merch today, talk about the new swear words and weed shirts being allowed, and whether people are actually kind of getting them through or not. So that's kind of what I wanted to chat about today. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm having a lazy Sunday here. My girlfriend went out shopping with one of her friends, so I'm just chilling around the house today. I had a bunch of stink bugs invade my hot tub and turn the water like green. So emptying that out, cleaning it out today, and refilling it. So I got a few minutes to kill here. But I came back in. I have not uploaded any weed shirts or any cussing shirts yet. This policy was rolled out officially on the 4th. I didn't hear about it till later in the day. Today's kind of like the morning, early afternoon of the 7th. So probably it's been about 3 full days. And I've heard mixed things. Initially, the first day that this happened, the first evening, the evening of the 4th, there's a couple pretty active Reddit conversations going on, and everybody was saying, I'm getting rejections, I'm getting rejections. You know, these shirts aren't going through. Amazon kind of prematurely made the announcement, and they haven't really changed their filters yet, so people are getting rejections. So I actually haven't uploaded anything, partially kind of waiting to see how things play out, and partially just because I've been kind of busy and kind of tied up this weekend. But this morning, today's Sunday the 7th, this morning I went in and tried to upload a weed shirt, and I purposely... I believe from what they said, like policy violations regarding this aren't really going to count against us until November 5th. At least that's how I was reading into it. So, you know, I don't think you really got to freak out if you get a policy violation or if a shirt gets rejected. But just for the sake of having the least amount of rejections possible, I was like, you know what, I'm going to upload one shirt, wait to see if it gets rejected, goes into processing, goes through, whatever else. And if it goes through, then I'm going to go ham and start uploading a bunch of these shirts. Well, I put my first one on, and you know, normally these things can stay in review or whatever for a little while. Within a couple minutes, I had a rejection. So at least for me, it's not working yet. I mean, I talked to my buddy MitchyBoy sometime over this weekend, and he was able to get, I think, a weed shirt or a cussing shirt through. I've only tried once thus far. Nothing's gone through from me. I would love to hear from you guys. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you're getting weed shirts or swearing shirts through, or if you aren't. I tried one. Like I said, it didn't go through. One thing you're going to want to be really careful of, especially with kind of the weed designs and stuff like that, is keep in mind, like, we always think about trademark and copyright when we're thinking about, like, general merch shirts. And I think a lot of times people don't really think about that in terms of weed, or at least initially that didn't really cross my mind in terms of weed. But keep in mind that, like, whatever seed bank or dispensary, whatever, creates a genre of weed, that's probably going to be trademarked. So I don't know about these for sure, but like whoever invented Northern Lights, like the seed bank who created the strain Northern Lights, they're probably going to have that trademarked. Something like Pineapple Express, obviously that's probably going to be more so for the movie. But especially with marijuana turning into kind of big business in the U.S. and kind of going legal, and you're getting a lot of corporations involved, I'm guessing a lot of strains and a lot of weed kind of lingo and stuff like that you're probably going to find is trademarked. So, you know, don't think, oh, I can just make weed shirts willy-nilly and no one's really got trademarks. I'm pretty sure a lot of strain names, a lot of other things are going to be trademarked. So make sure you're using Trademarkia or USPTO. With my shirt that got rejected, that was one of the first things that I thought of. I'm like, did I use some term or some, you know, strain of bud that, like, you're not allowed to use? But I kept it really general. Mine was just like weed marijuana shirt. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I just kind of wanted to report my findings. I have yet to get a weed shirt posted. I waited a couple days to tried this morning, got my rejection. But I am hearing people on Reddit saying it's going through fine. And also MitchyBoy said he was able to get one through. Maybe I'll link you guys down below to 2 different Reddit posts going that are pretty active, with people kind of keeping everybody updated on, you know, whether they're getting shirts through, what's going on. Just kind of keep on top of kind of what the status of this changes and when shirts are going to start going through. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'm curious to hear your results. Have you been getting shirts up? Have you been getting rejections? Let us know. Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. I got to go wrap up some of my yard work here today, so I'm going to get running. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'll talk to you later.